This video is going to help with canceling and refunding your order. So go ahead and log into your OrderEm account. And what you're going to do is you're going to select orders on the left hand side. Once you do that, you'll see a list of all your orders that you've received for the past few days. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the yellow one that's received. And this, if you have several locations, you'll see all the orders here. And you can search and look them up from ID, from dates, and different options. So go ahead and click on the order you wish to refund or cancel. Once you do that, you'll go ahead and, in the case of canceling the order, you'll go ahead and select which reason you want to go ahead and cancel it. And then you'll hit the cancel button and it'll ask you if you want to cancel. In this case, I did use a card, so we'll just leave it as customer rejected. Yes, I'm sure. The order was canceled successfully. Let's go ahead and click on it again. Let's say you just wanted a refund and I've already canceled the order, so it won't allow me to refund. Let's say you just want to refund a certain amount. You'll go ahead and select refund. It'll ask you partial or completely. Once you enter in the amount, you'll then hit refund, and then it'll go ahead and refund the order. Hope that helps.